Hi, I'm Chris Donnelly, a builder by trade, and today I'm going to show you how to fix up your garden shed. I've got a shed in the backyard made of galvanised steel that needs a good prep and paint. The roof was rusty, so I've already sandblasted that, and now it needs a dust off before it's ready for a good once over clean with Resene roof and metal wash. Mix that with the right ratio of water. I'm using a 3:1, then spray it on and give it a good scrub. Wash it all off with water, then tackle the rest of your shed. I'm using a steel wool pad on any stubborn rust stains, then washing it off as best I can. Now you're ready for your primer. I'm using Resene Galvo One. It's got special anti-corrosive pigments and can be used on old sheds or new ones. And I'm using a number 5 roller and a brush to apply it. Now leave your shed to fully dry. The primer needs 12 hours or more to cure. My wife wanted a black shed, but I like earthen colours, dark greens, greys and browns. We met in the middle with me saying, yes dear. I'm using Resene Lumbersider low sheen CoolColour in Nero. CoolColour keeps your paint finish and surface cooler in the hot months. You'll need 2 coats of this and the right dry time in between for the best possible results. I actually really like this black colour. I'm glad I chose it.